Alright guys, today we're going to be testing the SENA SPIDER ST1 on our helmets. It is already installed on the helmet. This is a Sedici Strata 3 helmet. Yes, Sedici Strata 3. When we bought it, they already installed it for free. It's right here, as you can see, out of the way. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the mic is right here in the front. I already have it set up as well with the GoPro. This is a GoPro Hero 3. You just set it up by the Bluetooth where you go pair. So we're gonna go test to see if what it sounds like while recording a video, and see if the wind with the visor up or down sounds any different. See what the quality is really like. We bought this for $169, $169.99. We bought two of them, so it's we already tested the speaker with talking to each other. So that already works good. Music already works good on it. This is the HD speaker, but we were told that it doesn't really matter if you get the HD speaker or not, it still sounds the same. So let's go give it a test.
Alright, so we're gonna go test drive my girlfriend's Honda CB300R. She's been telling me that when shifting, sometimes the gear where it shows you what gear you are, it goes to line. So we're gonna go figure out if it's her boot or not shifting all the way through, or it's just something that comes with the bike. This is a 2025. Hey guys, so right now we're testing the SENA Spider. I think this is the ST1. We're taking out for a ride to see how it sounds. On this helmet, I have a Sedici Strata 3. The mic is sitting right on my mouth right now, so every time I talk, it kind of touches the mic. So I'm pretty sure every mic is different. But we're gonna see how it sounds different. My visor is down. Now let me do it with my visor up. Today we are testing my girlfriend's 2025 CB300R because they're having an issue with the shifting. The shift indicator, or the number of where your gear is, sometimes it shows line instead of the actual number. So we're trying to figure out if it's a shifting issue or a bike issue. So don't mind me not having gloves. I'm just driving up and down my neighborhood. I mean, it was just a quick thing. But other than the voice, I don't know how it sounds right now, but when I do hear music, it sounds pretty good. I mean, not like you're wearing headphones or anything where it's noise canceling or sounds like high definition. It does sound like a regular, like if you were wearing speakers on, not adjusted to your ears, but you can speak to somebody else while hearing music, and every time you speak or the other person speaks, the music goes down, like it levels down. So that's a good thing, but it's pretty good. Battery lasts a long time. Bike runs pretty good. A very, very light bike, easy to ride, beginner friendly. I feel like I could go everywhere with this bike. I don't know what the hell that was. I don't know if it was a bug. Something got stuck between my finger. I was gonna turn on that before road, but I don't know if it was. There's been a lot of spiders lately on the bike, so the bike does vibrate a little bit. I don't. If you ever rode a dirt bike with off-road tires, you know what I'm talking about, where it's just the whole motorcycle vibrates, but not it vibrates to that level. But I guess if you look at the 360. I don't know if we'll be able to pick it up with the 360, but it does vibrate quite a bit. Like you feel it, but not something that is annoying or anything. The seat is kind of hard, and I'm a very big guy to be on this bike. I'm very heavy. I'm like 250 pounds, 250 pounds. So, but the bike moves me pretty good. So if you guys were curious about the speed and how it moves.
Alright, as you saw on the video, it muffles out a lot of the sound and a lot of the wind to where it sounds almost like it's not recording, but it is. You can't hear the bike or the wind, but you can hear your voice when you speak to the mic clearly, so that's a good thing. Really recommended. It's a very good product. If you guys like this kind of content, like, comment, subscribe. We'll be posting more videos coming up.